Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about doing what you love most.
So this is something that is very hard to do whenever you are self-employed or you're running your own company, is to take and do what you love. A lot of times you do what is necessary to keep the business running, to keep people employed, to keep the lights on, and keep products flowing out the door. But it's incredibly crucial for you to do what you love. It's what you started this whole thing for to begin with.
So you have to identify what exactly it is that you love doing most so that you can make the strides towards that, to spend time doing that. Even if it's not all day, every day, you can at least say, okay, once, twice a week, or whatever works for you, I'm going to set aside this amount of time and I'm going to do such and such because I really enjoy doing that.
Yeah. And, that's very tough. I find this all the time in my shop. I see things that I have customers' orders that are waiting to go out the door. And I said, well, you know what? I'm going to work on those. And then if I have any energy left after the end of the day, I might get around to my thing that I want to do. And I would encourage you to not do that at all. Do what you love first, and that will energize you to take and get the other stuff done as well. Ultimately, a customer is not going to be happy unless you are putting yourself into your work. They will sense in your emails to them, they will sense in the way you design their product or the final outcome that you really didn't have the heart and soul in it like they believed about you when you originally wrote your listing about that item, when you loved to make that thing.
That's right. So if you find yourself that you're spending a lot of your time doing things that you don't particularly enjoy, then see if there's a way that you can outsource some of those tasks to other people. Whether it maybe somebody that, for example, bookkeeping, somebody that's really good at bookkeeping. Just go ahead and pay them or barter with them or whatever it takes to get that off of your shoulders so that you can free up your time.
Yeah. And really, this is about doing what you love. This doesn't mean that you have to wake up every day just tickled pink to be in existence. You're going to have your good days and your bad days when it comes to this. The thing is to give yourself some slack, give yourself some credit, take the time that it needs, that you need to get excited about what you do, to enjoy what you're doing, and don't be ashamed to go out and do that thing. So that's going to bleed over on your everyday work if you do what you love. So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3.
Yep, thank you for joining us.
Yep, and like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks for watching.